Step-by-step guide apply to study in Canada. Axiom offers professional guidance to the Bangladeshi students who are intended to study in Canada. We will be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We will review your academic, professional, financial circumstances along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we will assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study and all other related issues. You will get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced education advisors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure etc. until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in Canada is as follows. Step-by-step guide apply to study in Canada. Step 1. Attend a counseling session. Attend a counseling session at Axiom to planning and information gathering your options relating to study in Canada, courses available and recommended institutions. Be sure to language proficiency requirements. Be sure to eligibility requirements for admission. Be sure to the amount of money required to study in Canada. Step 2. Register with Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Step 3. Prepare and appears for standardized admission test. Prepare and appears for standardized admissions tests. Join Axiom Global Institute, and sit the exams required for the application. For example IELTS, TOEFL registered, TOEIC. Step 4. Apply for admission. Once you have decided what and where you want to study, we will help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. Prepare application documents. Arrange to send application fee. At the time of application for admission, you will be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and in most cases proof of your language ability. Documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom education advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you will be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institution on your behalf. Step 5. Pay tuition fees. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee. Most Canadian institutions require you to pay the first-year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our Value-Added Services Department at Axiom Education Advisor can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Step 6. Preparing visa application. All set to study abroad in Canada but not sure what to do about your student visa. So you've got your heart set on studying in Canada, but before you can embark on that journey you'll need to get your student visa sorted. The process might seem complicated, but we've broken it down into easy steps. An international student wishing to study in Canada must apply for a visa in person. To lodge your visa application you will need to provide the recommended documents specified by the Embassy of Canada in Bangladesh. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Step 7. Visa outcome. We will notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your passport. In most cases, this is a positive response and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for Canada. Step 8. Getting ready to go. Once you've accepted your place and your visa application is approved, at Axiom, we can help you organize your travel arrangements and advise with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in Canada. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.